Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to request an unban for your TikTok account using a web browser. It's best to do this on a PC for easier navigation. First, go to TikTok's feedback form. So go to tiktok.com/legal/report/feedback. Now, under topic, select general account inquiry. And for category, choose banned account. Then, enter your email and optionally your TikTok username, which you can find on your profile if accessible. In the additional details section, explain why you believe your ban was a mistake. You can also attach up to 10 screenshots as proof using formats like JPEG, PNG, or zip files. Before submitting, check the declaration box to confirm your information is accurate. Then click Submit. After hitting Submit, wait for TikTok's response via email. Keep an eye on your inbox, including the spam folder, for any updates.